Alright, sorry for the mess. I'll edit some stuff out. Got this today in the mail. I picked it up. It went on sale and it sold out, but I was able to get it. Sena 50S dual pack. So let's open it up, shall we? See what we got. Trying not to cut my finger off with my X-Acto knife. Alright. This is my first Bluetooth headset that I've ever owned. So I think it just, yeah, it just slides out. There we go. Alright, so let's put that over there. And then this Sena. What do we got over here? Different codes. Alright, let's see. Shake, 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 shake. Come on. Dang, they put it together well, don't they? Alright. So there's that. Nice. Hopefully I'm getting a good shot with the camera on that. Those things are a lot bigger than I expected. Oh, they don't weigh much. Again, it's my first time using these, so I don't know how any of this works, but got two of those. Yeah, I came off a Harley system that was all wired, so we'll see. Alright, we've got two receivers, and then this box we have all kinds of stuff. Alright, so there's a new Wi-Fi connector. It is USB-C cords. There's a boom mic with two speakers and the receiver unit, I guess is what you call that. And then another charging cable. That one will probably go in the trunk on the bike. I'm not sure what we use this cable for. Just an accessory cable. Or for an extra long mic, I guess. I don't know, because here's a different style boom mic that actually mounts to the helmet and then plugs into the unit. So I'm not sure where that one would go. Let's see what's in this little bag. Alright, we've got some speaker covers. Oh, are these? Oh, no. Those are speaker blocks to make them closer or further away from your head. There's some mic socks. There's another microphone. Alright. That's a microphone you can put in the top part of your helmet. Some of the pads that hook to the helmet to mount your speakers and your microphones if you do the mounted microphones. Alright. Looks like this is all the setup for one unit in this box. And then this is a different mount for the whole unit. With some rubber pads, little Allen wrench, wire clips. Alright. So that's all that box. Okay, we've got another box in here that's just as heavy because it's probably the same exact setup for the other helmet. Yeah, there's a Wi-Fi adapter. There's the extension cable. There's the boom mic. It's quite literally the exact same stuff. Yep. Just two of the same thing, right? Because it's a dual pack, so that's just everything twice. One more box in here. This must be all the literature. Owner's manuals. Everything is in there. I'm not going to take it all out right now. So, well, there's the unboxing. Let me know if there's anything else you want to see. I'm going to get it all out and plugged in and charged up. I'm probably not going to mount it on a helmet anytime soon because my wife and I are getting new helmets to go with our new bike. that is currently in the shop getting a brake light fixed because Kuryakin piece messed it up. So